Hi everyone, welcome to another fantastic video on YouTube. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious food, but there's a lot more to know about them than you may think. Today, we're talking about 10 super facts about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious vegetables that have been around for centuries. We'll be discussing their amazing health benefits, different varieties, and more. So stay tuned to learn all about sweet potatoes and their awesome properties. Number 1. Sweet potatoes are an ancient food, with evidence of cultivation over 5,000 years ago. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious food that has been enjoyed by people all over the world for centuries. Native to Central and South America, sweet potatoes were one of the first crops cultivated by the ancient Incas and Mayans. Evidence of their cultivation has been found that dates back over 5,000 years. In addition to being a tasty and nutritious food, sweet potatoes are also highly sustainable. Sweet potatoes are drought-tolerant, require little input, and are a great source of income for small farmers. By growing sweet potatoes, people are able to feed their families while protecting the environment. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that sweet potatoes have been an essential part of diets all over the world for centuries. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious meal, reach for the sweet potatoes. Number 2. You can control the sweetness of sweet potatoes. To take full advantage of the sweetness of sweet potatoes, you'll want to roast them at a low temperature for a longer period of time. Low temperatures allow the sweet potato to slowly break down its starch to sugar, while a high temperature will caramelize the outside of the potato, creating a chewy exterior. If you're looking for a sweet potato that has a higher concentration of sweetness, you can also try soaking the potatoes in water overnight before roasting. This will help to further break down the starch into sugar, giving you an even sweeter result. So the next time you're baking with sweet potatoes, experiment with the temperature and cooking time to find the perfect balance of sweetness for your dessert. With a little bit of tweaking, you can control the sweetness of sweet potatoes and create a delicious treat that everyone will love. Number 3. You can actually eat the whole plant. To cook sweet potato leaves, start by washing them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Next, heat up a skillet over medium-high heat with some oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add in the leaves and stir-fry them for a couple of minutes. Once they start to wilt, add in salt and pepper to taste, and any other desired spices. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the leaves have a bright green color, remove them from the heat and serve. You can also bake sweet potato leaves in the oven for a crispy, flavorful snack. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the leaves out in an even layer. Drizzle with a bit of oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the leaves have crisped up. Remove from the oven and enjoy. Number 4. You can store sweet potatoes in the fridge or the pantry. Storing sweet potatoes in the fridge will help them last longer than in the pantry. They should be kept in a cool and dry place, so make sure to store them away from any sources of moisture. If stored properly, sweet potatoes should keep for up to 3 weeks in the fridge. When it comes to storing sweet potatoes in the pantry, they should also be kept in a cool and dry place. If stored properly, they can last up to 2 months in the pantry. However, sweet potatoes are more likely to spoil faster in the pantry than in the fridge, so it's best to check them regularly for any signs of spoilage. No matter where you decide to store your sweet potatoes, make sure to keep them away from any sources of excessive heat and moisture. This will help ensure they stay fresh and last longer. Number 5. Sweet potatoes aren't actually potatoes. Though the sweet potato may look like a potato, it is distinct in many ways. For starters, sweet potatoes have thin, smooth skin, while potatoes have thicker, rougher skin. Sweet potatoes also have a more vibrant orange hue than potatoes and have a sweeter flavor when cooked. When it comes to nutrition, sweet potatoes are the clear winner. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, such as vitamin A, beta-carotene, and fiber. They are also lower in calories than white potatoes and have a lower glycemic index, making them a better choice for those trying to watch their blood sugar levels. The sweet potato is a versatile vegetable with endless possibilities for recipes. From soups and salads to casseroles and fries, sweet potatoes can be easily incorporated into any meal. They'd also make a great snack when cooked and served with a sprinkle of cinnamon. So while sweet potatoes may look like potatoes, they are actually nutrient-packed and delicious root vegetables. Whether you are looking for a healthier alternative to the potato or just want to spice up your cooking, the sweet potato is a great choice. Number 6. Sweet potatoes are jam-packed with vitamins A, B, and C. Sweet potatoes are a great way to add more nutrition to your diet. They are very versatile and can be used in a variety of ways, such as baked, mashed, or even as a side dish. Plus, they're a great source of fiber and can help you feel full longer. When cooking sweet potatoes, it's important to remember that they should not be overcooked, as doing so can reduce their nutritional value. It's best to steam or bake them, as this will help them retain their vitamins and minerals. After they're cooked, you can enjoy them plain or top them with some butter and spices for a delicious meal. So if you're looking for a nutritious and delicious way to spruce up your meals, look no further than sweet potatoes. They're a great addition to any diet and will help you get the vitamins and minerals you need. Number 7. Sweet potatoes can assist digestion. Are you looking for a way to improve your digestion? Sweet potatoes might be the answer. Sweet potatoes are a great source of dietary fiber, containing up to 20% of your daily recommended intake in just one serving. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can help you to reach your daily fiber goals, and even provide extra benefits for your digestive system. If you're looking for a tasty way to add sweet potatoes to your diet, why not try making some sweet potato and lentil patties? This recipe is packed with fiber-rich ingredients, and it's sure to become a regular in your kitchen. So the next time you're looking for a way to boost your digestion, why not grab some sweet potatoes? With their high fiber content, they're sure to help you stay on track with your daily fiber intake. Number 8. Sweet potatoes are good for babies and adults alike. Sweet potatoes are a great choice for babies and adults alike. They contain essential vitamins and minerals that are important for growth and development. For babies, sweet potatoes provide a great source of vitamin C and A. A single serving of 75 grams of baked sweet potato provides 100% of the daily vitamin C intake and more than 60% of the vitamin A source for babies under 3. On top of being a great source of vitamins, sweet potatoes are also full of fiber, helping to keep babies full for longer and promoting healthy digestion. Sweet potatoes are also easy to prepare, making them an ideal first food for infants. They can be steamed, mashed, or roasted, allowing parents to find the best way to introduce new flavors to their little ones. Overall, sweet potatoes are an excellent choice for babies and adults alike. Not only are they full of essential vitamins and minerals, but they are also easy to prepare and can help introduce a variety of flavors to your baby's palate. So if you're looking to introduce your little one to a greater assortment of solid foods, sweet potatoes should definitely be top of the list. Number 9. Australian sweet potatoes are perfect all year round. Australian sweet potatoes are a versatile and delicious food that can be enjoyed all year round. Grown primarily in Bundaberg, Queensland, the warm and sunny climate offers ideal conditions for the crop to be grown and supplied all year long. For a summery twist on the traditional sweet potato dish, try out a sweet potato salad recipe or dip. A delicious and nutritious alternative to heavier winter dishes, sweet potatoes can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Sweet potato recipes can be found online with ease and can add a tasty, nutritional element to any meal. For those who don't want to go to the effort of cooking, you can also buy pre-cooked and pre-packaged sweet potatoes from the supermarket and enjoy them as a snack or side dish. These are perfect for those days when you don't have the time to prepare a meal. Number 10. You can even drink a sweet potato. If you're looking for a truly unique and delicious way to start your day, why not try a sweet potato smoothie? Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients, including vitamins A and C, and are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Plus, they have a naturally sweet flavor that will make your smoothie taste amazing. To make a sweet potato smoothie, start by roasting a large sweet potato and then pureeing it in a blender until it is completely smooth. Next, add your favorite fruits and vegetables to the mix, like bananas, spinach, and mango. Finally, add healthy fats like almond butter to create an energizing smoothie. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new about sweet potatoes. Remember, sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and can be used in a variety of delicious recipes. Be sure to check out our other videos for more awesome facts. Until next time, stay sweet.